Hello, I'm Steve Negron, and I'm running for Congress here in New Hampshire, 2nd Congressional District. I want to take this time today to talk to you a little bit about a company that's right here in Nashua. One of the things you'll find out about my position on new business, I'm a small business owner, and right now with this crisis that we have with COVID, we've coined this phrase, COVID innovation, and there's a company I'm going to introduce you to right now that's doing exactly what we're talking about, is being so agile and being nimble to be able to turn on a dime and put their company in a position to start helping people. So
Charged Concepts is a company that was formed to bring inspired concepts and change them into impactful, real-world programs, technologies, initiatives.
Right.
The COVID crisis is something that's affecting us all. We really want to get the technology to the people and be able to do it quickly. So our background is actually in biomedical engineering and medical technologies. And we have that willingness and drive, and as you and I talked about, the entrepreneurial spirit,
right,
to really be able to spin up fast. And I have an incredible team here at Charged Concepts. So they're not only working on it, but they're coordinating the volunteer efforts. And
right,
I would love to show you what we're doing.
Please do, absolutely.
All right, so not only are we sewing, we're sewing them here, but we're sending out kits for other people to help out. So if they want to sew, they can do it.
This one is a really basic one. It's made from a rectangle. It has pleats on the sides.
So they may not be N95, but they can go over it and serve as an additional protective layer and meet the hospital sterilization standards and be reused. We're focusing on medical personnel as well as EMS because as you and I talked about, we have to help those that take care of us first.
Right. That I think that's important as a small business owner and an entrepreneur, that, you know, take the shackles off of you, right, and let you do what you do best.
Right.
Right. And the government should be there as a construct to help you and not to hinder you. And this is the art of the possible. This is the ability.
Art of the possible. That's such a great phrase.
It's true. Just, you know, let you do what you do.
If you want to try to help me make some, grab an apron, let's do it. I've started this tiny strip. If you want to give it a try on this last 6 inches or so.
Well, I'll tell you what, as long as I don't burn myself. My grandmother was a seamstress in the Bronx. And when she came to live with us, I used to sit next to her while she sewed.
I've been working on keeping track of our donations, our volunteers, and where we're going to ship things. So kind of all the logistics of numbers and names and lots of spreadsheets. Right.
And to me, this is the spirit of who we are. This is how this nation was born. Everybody has a chance to serve, so my hat's off to you for doing what you're doing. It's and to my state, so thank you.
So could we go take you downstairs to the laser lab? And
absolutely,
show you
I'd love to see that. I would shake your hand, but then we're on camera and then I'd get in trouble.
Nope.
As you see, we have the fabric, nice print, laid out here. So we use the laptop back here. We use this program to put all the masks that we need in here, and then we lay them out to make sure it's the most efficient, so we're getting the most bang for our cut.
Right.
Cloth fast, just like you see here.
Oh wow! And you minimize waste, right? I mean, you're absolutely everything that comes off this laser is ready to go.
And the other product we're running is these face shields. Actually redesigning these at the moment to have a thicker plastic and then remove the foam so we have something that's easier to disinfect.
But we have engineers, software experts, subject matter experts such as nurses and doctors that are coordinating with us from all over the country and educating us to find common solutions.
You've been doing this a week.
A week.
That's amazing, man. That's seriously, that's craziness. This is amazing. That's a great toy. I mean, I know you're using it for something that's very important right now, but the fact that laser technology has come to a point right now that you can use it to adapt to a current situation, I think is amazing. And my hat's off to you guys.
Thank you.
The state of New Hampshire is going to be one of those beacons when all this story is written about companies like yours and Charged Concepts and what you've done.
From all the entrepreneurs, all the people that want to do something together, to collaborate and make this world a better place and safeguard a future for us.
Absolutely. You're welcome. Thank you.